Hello, good evening friends. Today Nifty was in a very narrow range and closed lower by 20 points. But more than those 20 points, we had a sell-off during the last 10 minutes of trade, which is indicating that something is brewing. On the higher side, since last two trading sessions, Nifty has been making consistently lower highs and lower lows, and I believe 24,900, 950 will be very difficult to get through on the higher side. Also, I think Nifty having failed to retest its earlier highs of 22,200 levels, once again now trying to claw back to its lower supports of 24,450, 500 levels. Now positional traders can short Nifty with a tight stop at about 24,900, 950 levels for lower targets of about 24,450, 500 levels on the lower side. In case we close below 24,450 levels, then we can see a correction which will be running much deeper than anticipated. On short-term charts, I think 24,880, 900 level should act as a very strong resistance on the higher side. Keeping that as a stop loss, one can short Nifty for lower targets of around 24,660, 680 levels. A break below that, Nifty may move towards its previous low, wherein it took support at about 24,480, 500 level. Bank Nifty on daily charts is moving one day up, one day down kind of move since last 4-5 trading sessions, and still it is locked between a 1,000 point range with a higher point being, and on the lower end of the trading range we have support at 55,100. Until one of these two levels is taken out, I believe it is difficult to trade. But at 55,100 levels, if one finds some support or one is ready to take risk, being the lower end of the trading range, one can take contra positions. But I would like to wait for a breakout on either direction to take fresh positions. On short-term charts in Bank Nifty, I think if 55,500 is taken out with volumes, then we may see Bank Nifty moving towards the lower end of the trading range, roughly at about 55,150, 200 levels. Thanks for joining in. Good night.